get me wrong, sure we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing okay. So I have this beautiful gorgeous everyday slay wig to show you guys. This is the Bobbi Boss Lace MLF 239 Narinda. It's a 13 by 4 HD transparent deep lace, hand-tied lace. It comes with a pre-plucked hairline, but I still think it needed some more plucking. I bought it in the color 1B, and it has like a free padding where you can pat the hair wherever you want to pat it. If you want to put it in the middle, on the sides, but I always want to put my hair in the middle. The only time I put my hair on the side is if I don't like the way it's looking. So this hair is giving me the silk press vibe. It's very gorgeous. It's giving me this silky yaki texture. I had to go in with my foundation so I can make the hair lace look kind of like close to my skin. Comes in different colors. This hair is medium head friendly because I have a very big head, y'all. Comes with baby hair, and as you can see sometime in the video, I'm not very good with bringing out my baby hair, so guys, bear with me. This hair, I didn't experience any tangles. I didn't really experience any shedding, like very small shedding, which I think is normal. I like the cut of this wig. This wig is super gorgeous. When I put it on my head, it was giving me like, it was a little bit bumpy, so I had to go in with my tamer and my hot comb to tame the wig and, you know, make it lay down flat because I didn't like the way it was so bumpy. But other than that, this is like an everyday slay. I'm gonna put the description of this hair below. If you like it, if you like what you see, you can go buy it. I think I bought it for less than $40. This hair is giving me like the, you know, everyday slay, going to work, or you have a business meeting, or you just want something to throw on. I didn't have to glue this hair down. I just cut the lace and put it on. I didn't have to put on any glue. So yeah, this hair is really gorgeous, guys. So if you like what you see, then you can buy it if you like it. But other than that, yeah, guys, don't worry about my baby hair, guys. I don't know what was going on there, but yeah. All right, bye y'all, and have a blessed day.
Trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm not being mean, I'm just being me. I don't make it easy, but I'm worth a while. All that I ask is for you to please my every need, to put in the time. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest.